And hello and welcome to this presentation from the Urban Penguin. My name is Andrew Mallett, and today we've booted up into Rocky Linux 9.5, your enterprise Linux solution, and we're going to run through the installation. I'm going to choose English US as my keyboard layout, and of course then we can go through the installation screens. Pretty much anywhere where you see the red text, we need to make changes. I don't need to make a lot of changes for my disk partitioning. We can accept the default, so just clicking Done. This is a demonstration system, so I'm not too bothered about how it's set up. The installation source, you can see that we're using the local media, and we can choose how to install our operating system. But again, on this, I'm going to leave it with server with a graphical environment, our GUI. I'm going to go through and configure my root password. So as I start typing a password, it's unlocking the root account. I'm happy to have a password, but I will unlock it when I want it. So I'm going to choose to keep my root account locked. It's going to require me to add another user account, and I'm going to create my favorite Penguin account, Tux, making it an administrator, so a member of the wheel group, and setting the password. Again, a demonstration system, I'm setting a weak password, as you can see, but that is going to require you to press the Done button twice, confirming that you're a Muppet and you don't mind setting a weak password. I'm going to go through and set my host name, so I can configure my host name to be Rocky. And through the configure, I just want to make sure that the network card is loading automatically. So I'm moving through to General, and we can see that's connecting automatically. So I can save this and then move back to my Done button. And we're about ready to start the installation. So we can click this and allow it to run through. Once that has run through, then we're going to be presented with our nice blue button to reboot our system. So let's choose that. Bye-bye system, it's terminated, but don't worry, it's not terminated for too long. It runs through the boot process again, and you can see now that we are starting up. It's running in VMware Fusion on Macintosh, so it has got all of the VMware tools installed. So if I adjust the screen, my resolution will also adjust. I can log in as my Tux account. Of course, if you can remember the password, but you didn't set it that long ago, did you? If we wanted to, we could spend a little bit of time getting to know Rocky Linux by taking the tour. For the moment, I'm going to choose not to, and I'm going to open up one of my favorite tools, the graphical terminal. So we're able to dive out to our command line to really start understanding what we have done. So as I open this up, I can move across to our burger menu, moving down to preferences and choosing our unnamed profile and setting the font size just to be a little bit bigger so it's easier to see through the video. Taking it up to about 21, that should be more than enough. And now as we run our host name CTL command, we're going to be able to see our operating system and look at this. We are up and running with our favorite enterprise software, Rocky Linux 9.5.
All that is left to say is thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then you are probably sadder than I first thought. For more of this drivel, please subscribe, like and comment to @the Urban Penguin.